Okay, so this is something I just got it, and I don't know how will this shape look on my face. I really don't know. I don't think so it looks flattering on my face. I don't know. Let me know. I think it looks very funny. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a bunch of Instagram pages for you guys. This was again one of the most requested video on my Instagram, and I've done a mini review sort of a series on my Instagram. Just I've done it on my stories, and I've highlighted that on my feed. So if you want to see Instagram pages ka review, you can actually go ahead and check that out. I'll put my Instagram handle over here on the screen. And apart from that, this is going to be a detailed review. Most of these items are the ones that I've bought with my own money, but a few of them have been sent, but that collaboration and whatever has been done on my Instagram, and this is not going to be a sponsored video. I will put out my most honest opinion and reviews about each and every page, and it's always a good idea to support small businesses, so I have a few of small businesses included as well. So let's get started. Alright, so the very first brand that I have to talk about is Indian Gully, and I bought 3 tops from them, and all of the pieces that they have on their website are very Instagram friendly yet wearable, so I really like that. And they have a sale going on. Originally I guess they were for 800 to 1000 rupees, and after the sale they costed me for 600 rupees each. And I will show you how these tops look like. This is the white boat neck top. I'll mention the full names in the description below with the links. If I could find them, I will actually find them for you guys. I'll do anything for you. And this is the second top, and this is the last one. This one fits me a little loose than expected, and the shoulder thing keeps falling. I don't know why, although it was of my size only, but it's okay. So if I have to rate this website out of 10, I would say it's a 8 on 10. The prices are quite decent and the quality is actually good. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and buy from them. So the second website that we have is Huno India, and I've bought these as well. They are a brand of sunglasses, and I have 2 sunglasses from them. They had something as their 1-year birthday sale, and where you had to only pay for the shipping, which was 199 rupees. इतनी नहीं लगती है shipping generally on any website, but उनकी cost निकल जाती होगी इससे या कुछ भी, I don't know. But 199 was the shipping that I paid, and I got 199 में ये, 199 में ये. So you get only 1 glass at a time, and maybe खुद की mail पे you can get only 1, I guess. I'm not too sure of that. So these were random pieces that they've sent me. Otherwise, if you have to go and actually buy something according to your choice, the prices are very huge, high prices, and they're very expensive. So I personally won't ever go ahead and buy from their website, but you can actually go ahead. The quality is decent, and it's actually better than Sarojini or any local market, but the designs are pretty similar that you can easily find in local markets. So I won't really pay $1,000 for just these sunglasses. Alright, so this is the first one. This has something over here. Okay. I really don't like sunglasses on my face though. I really don't. I don't know why did I go ahead and buy these. Okay, moving on. We have this t-shirt, graphic printed t-shirt from We the Influencer. I went there to their office for a panel discussion, and then they gave this to me in their goodies bag, and there were a few more items, and I really like this t-shirt. The quality of this one is really nice. It looks very rich, it looks very nice and stylish as well. This is of my size only. My size is M in this one. If you wish to buy this one, you can actually go ahead and buy this. I'm not too sure of the price, but I would easily go ahead and pay 800 to 1000 rupees for the quality. The quality is actually genuinely good. The material, the fabric is really nice, and it looks very, attractive. Even though it's black, but it looks so good. Like, the fabric is just so rich and so nice. So alright, so the next item we have is actually a set of nails, and we also have two accessory pieces. So these are all from Simmer Skin. I hope the name is rightly pronounced, but we'll move on to the items. So these are the first set of earrings I got. These are golden, and the quality of these is actually good. This one is something I actually would end up wearing. Then we have these earrings that I was wearing in my last video. These are link chain style mein earrings, and they have 4 sort of links, and I really like these earrings too. The quality, however, of this is not really good, and these are very lightweight. It's good for your ear, but it actually looks cheap quality as well, but it's okay. They've not gone black yet, so I think you can buy if you wish to. And then we have these set of nails from them. They sent, I guess, 12 nails in a box. I bought them, and they were for 600. I easily remember, and definitely not worth it. Just not worth it. The glue that they sent with these nails, I've used them, and I've added a lot of stories on my Instagram, and I was highly disappointed. So the 2 glues that they've sent, one was the drop वाली, like the liquid glue, and वो actually में it was very near to Elfie, the Fevi we used to paste stuff जो ad आती है ना बहुत strong है वगैरह वाली. It was very near to that, and it just ruined my nails actually. Then the next sort of glue we have is this one, and this one is so thick. ये वो double sided glue है, and this one was so thick that it would just create a lot of distance in my real nail and my fake nails, so that it was just by looking at it, you could easily guess these are not her real nails, and she just pasted something on top of it, so it was looking very fake. So these are how they look, and these are not really good. They are not. They are very plasticky. They have some numbers written on top, and they have something that they are not finished even properly, so no, will not recommend them at all. There are many different brands that you can go for if you want press on nails. Don't just go for this. So in total, if I have to rate this particular website, I would say it's a 6 on 10. The accessories, actually you can go for that because they are really affordable, but then you'll have to sacrifice a little bit over the quality as well. So yeah. Alright, so the second last page that we have is Craftica. So Craftica is a small business. She is such a talented girl. She just makes these really beautiful and pretty earrings just out of paper. Everything from bottom to top is just paper, complete paper. Just this thing is something as a chain, or this is just a chain or something, but apart from that, everything is just made out of paper, and that is so brilliant. That is so brilliant. And this is their bestseller design. I absolutely love this design. I really like it, and I love their page, and I've been supporting them since a long time now, and even my followers who've bought from them, they've loved it, and they've been a fan of it and a regular customer of their website. So I really would recommend you to at least go ahead and buy one piece and support small businesses, and don't buy from those very huge businesses, and do your bit in supporting them. And the last small business that we have is Nazreem Handmade, and these earrings are made out of clothes, and this is also handmade. This is just pure talent. I can't even tell you how talented all these girls are in making so pretty earrings. I'll put a reel that I made for them, and you can see the whole collection that they sent me. And for now I only have these two earrings in my hand, rest of them were outside so I couldn't bring them. But they're so pretty. These actually are my favorite, the most favorite. They're really so pretty, so wearable, and they look good with ethnic wear so much that I just can't wait to wear them actually outside. I'm planning to wear them with my Rakhi outfit, but my Rakhi outfit is not sorted yet, so we'll see what to wear. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked all of these Instagram pages that I have shopped from. If there are any other pages that you want me to shop from and try and give you guys a detailed review about them, let me know in the comment section below. And what else video you want to see next, let me know. I'll see you guys soon, and yeah, keep loving me and like my videos, so that I just can't do this intro outro thing. I don't know why. She's my mother. She's my mother. Whatever.